Finances. We have money changes coming in. Okay, it shows that money matters a lot right now. So if you've been waiting on some change with that, and you've been praying and hoping that you get a lucky break or you get some abundance finally coming into your life, we've got fast changes coming in the money department. So that looks very good. It shows the future is going to be a lot better. Okay, so if you've been in a time where you've been struggling a little bit, we have got change. This is kind of something that you are destined to have, okay? It's showing here that it's been taking its time. You may have been feeling a little bit like giving up hope, but behind the scenes, things have been coming together, okay? So you might have also been helping everything grow, and it just shows that continue with the seeds that you've planted. You're on the right path because wealth is on the way. Okay, so you're working towards real wealth and prosperity in your life. Keep investing. So if your investments, or if you, it does actually show trap there. So if you feel like you're trapped in an investment or you're trapped in a particular job and it's not giving you the results that you want, just hang in there because there's definitely more to come. Also shows express yourself, so speak up with anything to do with work or financial matters. You've had a strategy here and you're not sure if it's going to come together. You've had to make a lot of choices as well with this, but financial abundance is set to come your way. There we have again, a gesture, something being given. It's got gold on the hand as well, and we've had the gold bars, so you've definitely got money and finances coming. They're asking you to change your perspective on that. So just kind of, I know it's difficult when it comes to money matters, but they're just saying don't give up just yet. Okay, there we have again finances and the money man coming up together. So that is just a confirmation there that is the focus of your life at the moment. Things are happening behind the scenes. So it may seem like you're at a dead end. You're not. It's just things have to be aligned, and then it comes in the offer. It does show emotionally you might be a bit concerned about this as well, so it's getting a bit overwhelming for you, but just keep the faith because it's on the way. If you're working on a creative kind of adventure or opportunity that's coming, that is also showing there. So this could be something that you want to do that's not necessarily all geared up around money. It's something that's rewarding for you, that's going to make you feel good. Abundance is coming in with that. Or if you've had a new idea and you're wondering if it's going to take off, this is a sign that yes, it will. It does show here that you may have been feeling very down about this recently, or everything is just quiet, nothing is happening, nothing is moving. I can assure you that what's coming is going to take away all of the heartache. You're going to feel like you're in a team with the universe and everything's just happening all at once. So you've not got long until the turnaround comes. Got the Wheel of Fortune there, which is always about good luck, and the wheel is spinning in your favor. So that's what you've got coming in. It just shows stay hopeful, because you're going to go from this place of lack into a place, you're in Hanged Man there with that, and then you're going to go from a place of lack into a place of balance. Justice is coming.